Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. I Jogen Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. From Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's topic is bronchitis. Definition: bronchitis is inflammation or swelling of the bronchial tubes. The air passes between the nose and the lungs. More specifically, bronchitis is when the lining of the bronchial tubes become inflamed or infected. Bronchitis is the caused by viruses, bacteria, and other particles that irritate the bronchial tube. Type of bronchitis: acute bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is shorter illness that commonly follow a cold or viral infection such as the flu. Acute bronchitis usually lasts a few days or weeks. Chronic bronchitis. Chronic bronchitis is characterized by a persistent mucus producing cough on most days of the month. 3 months of a year of 2 successive years in absence of a secondary cause of the cough. Etiology and risk factor क्या है? Smoker, people who are exposed to a lot of second hand smoke, people with weakened immune system, the elderly and infant, people with gastrophageal reflux disease, people who are exposed to air pollution. Sign and symptom of bronchitis: inflammation or swelling of the bronchi, coughing, producing of clear white, yellow, grey or green mucus sputum, shortness of breath, wheezing, fatigue, fever and chill, chest pain or discomfort, blocked or runny nose. Diagnostic evaluation: history collection, physical examination, chest x-ray, sputum culture, pulmonary function test or spirometry exercise or bronchoscopy. Pharmacological management: antibiotic, these are effective for bacterial infection but not for viral infection. They may also prevent secondary infection. Cough medicine: one must be carefully not be completely suppress the cough, for it is an important way to bring up mucus and remove irritant from the lung. Bronchodilators: these open the bronchial tubes and clear out mucus. Mucolytic: these thin or loosen mucus in the airway, making it easier to cough up sputum. Anti-inflammatory medicine and glucocorticoid steroid. These are for more persistent symptoms. Pulmonary rehabilitation program. This including work with a respiratory therapist to help breathing. Nursing diagnostic: in effective breathing pattern related to shortness breathing, mucus or bronchoconstriction, ineffective airway clearance related to bronchoconstriction, self-care deficit related to fatigue secondary to increased effort for breathing, activity intolerance due to fatigues and ineffective breathing pattern. Assess the condition of patient, assess the vital sign, provide comfortable position, change the position periodically, maintain personal hygiene, use plus oximetry and suction, deep breathing exercise, learn to patient, refer to physiotherapist, provide oxygen according to physician order, provide psychologist support to patient, provide knowledge about chronic bronchitis, administrate medication according to physician order, bronchodilator, antibiotic, mucolytic. Health education: avoiding tobacco smoke and exposure to second hand smoke, quieting smoking, avoiding people who are sick with cold or the flu, getting a yearly flu vaccine, getting a pneumonia vaccine, especially for those over 60 years of age, washing hand regularly, avoiding cold damp location or areas with a lot of air population pollution, wearing a mask around people who are coughing and sneezing. Complication: asthma, bronchitis, tuberculosis, and sinusitis. Thank you.